In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a simple yet effective habit tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a fully functional system to track your progress effortlessly. And if you don't want to build it yourself, don't worry. You can download my template from the description. Let's get started. First, we start with a blank page. Name it Habit Tracker. Click on the three dots in the top right corner to customize the font. Select small text and enable full width for more workspace. Upload an icon and cover image of your choice. I've already prepared mine in advance. Now, let's structure the page. Type /2 columns to split the layout into two sections. On the left side, type /table view to create a database. Name it Habit Tracker. Then, click the three dots and select Hide Database Title to keep a clean and minimal look. Click the plus icon to add a new checkbox property. Rename it to Read and change the icon to a book. Repeat this process for other habits. I'll add 6: Read, Workout, Water, Protein, Pet, and Journal. You can customize these based on your own habits. To keep it minimal, adjust the checkbox size to show only icons, so use clear icons for each habit. Add a date property, then create a formula property. Rename it to Progress and set an icon. Click Edit Formula. Use toNumber to convert checkboxes into numeric values where checked equals 1 and unchecked equals 0. Add all habit properties together using this method, then save and check the results. Each time I check off a habit, my progress increases by 1. Now let's refine it. Edit the formula again, wrap everything in parentheses, and divide by the total number of habits. In my case, it's 6. If you track 10 habits, divide by 10 instead. Save the formula, change the format to %, and enable Show as Bar. Now, the progress is displayed as a percentage from 0% to 100%. However, I don't want decimal points for a cleaner look. If your Notion version allows, go to decimal places and set it to 0. If not, edit the formula again. Multiply the value by 100, then use Shift plus Enter to break lines and type round at the beginning to round the number. Finally, wrap everything and divide by 100. I recommend breaking formulas into multiple lines with Shift plus Enter and using Shift plus Tab for indentation to improve readability. Now, let's automate daily entries. Click the drop-down arrow, select New Template, and name it Add Today. Choose the option Date when duplicated, and do the same for the Date property so the title updates to the current date each time you create a new entry. Then add an icon. Click the drop-down arrow again, then click Set as Default, so the template applies automatically. Click Repeat, select Day, set a time, and save. Notion will then create a new habit tracking entry every day automatically. To demonstrate, I've created 2 weeks worth of habit tracking entries. Let's take a quick look. Click the three dots, go to Layout, and turn off the page icon for a cleaner look. Next, let's create a weekly overview. Select Group by Date. Then set the date grouping to Week. Sort by newest first so the latest week appears first. I will sort by date and select descending to make sure the current day appears at the top. Rename this view to weekly and change the icon. Duplicate this view and rename it monthly. Change the layout to calendar view. Click Properties, enable Habit and Progress Visibility, and adjust the order. Now, duplicate the view again, rename it Today, add the icon, and switch to Gallery view. Remove any grouping and sorting as I don't need them in this view. Apply a filter to show only this day. Go to Properties, enable Habit and Progress Visibility, and adjust the order. And set Card Preview to None. Adjust the card size as needed. On the right side of the layout, let's add a chart to visualize progress. Type /line chart, then search for the database name Habit Tracker. Set the x-axis to date and the y-axis to progress average. You can customize it further in more style options. I'll add axis labels and enable smooth line for a polished look. If you want to filter by this week, you can apply a filter, but I'll keep it as is for now. And that's it. Your habit tracker is now complete. You can track your progress, visualize your trends, and stay consistent with your habits. If you don't want to build this from scratch, you can download my template from the description. I hope this video helps you stay on track with your habits. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.